How the wealthy use long-term investing to stay rich. Welcome to Focus and Finance, where we break down money strategies in the simplest way possible. Today, we are diving deep into something the rich do consistently, but most people ignore: long-term investing. This is one of the biggest secrets behind how wealthy people not only get rich, but stay rich. In this video, we will cover how the wealthy think about investing, the types of assets they hold, and why time is their best friend. You will also learn how to apply these strategies in your own life, no matter your income. Let's get started. The wealthy think in decades, not days. Most people want to double their money overnight. They chase quick profits. They trade based on emotion or social media trends, but the wealthy play a different game. They think long term. They ask questions like, what will this investment look like in 10 years, not 10 days? This long-term thinking allows them to avoid emotional decisions. They are not panicking over daily market drops because they know time smooths everything out. Compound interest is their best friend. Albert Einstein supposedly called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. Wealthy people understand this. They know that if you let your money grow uninterrupted over a long period of time, it can multiply without you doing anything extra. For example, if you invest $500 monthly into an index fund, earning just 8% annually in 30 years, you could have over $700,000. The rich take full advantage of this because they start early and stay consistent. Now imagine doing that with bigger amounts. The rich understand this and they let time do the heavy lifting. They know the earlier they start, the more power compound interest has. They focus on assets, not flash. The wealthy don't care about impressing people. They care about acquiring assets. While most people spend money on liabilities like new cars, phones, or clothes, the rich invest in things that grow in value. These include stocks, real estate, mutual funds, businesses, and intellectual property. They are not thinking about what looks good today. They are thinking about what will pay them for life. The average person buys things that lose value. A new phone, a flashy car. The wealthy use that money to buy things that make money. It's not because they're stingy, it's because they understand this rule. Assets make you richer. Liabilities make you poorer. They'll drive a regular car if it means buying one more rental property. Index funds and ETFs are their quiet giants. You won't always hear rich people talk loudly about index funds, but many of them have large amounts of money sitting in these funds, quietly growing. Index funds and ETFs track entire markets like the S&P 500. Instead of betting on one stock, they spread their investment across hundreds of companies. It's low cost, low maintenance, and highly effective for long-term growth. This is one of Warren Buffett's favorite strategies, and he's one of the richest people in the world. Another key strategy is reinvestment. When the rich earn dividends or profits from their investments, they don't withdraw it to spend on luxury. They reinvest profits automatically. It's the same concept as planting a tree and then using the fruit to plant even more trees. This creates a snowball effect where their money keeps compounding without them adding new cash. Over time, this creates a forest of wealth they buy when everyone else is scared. One thing that separates wealthy investors is how they react during economic crashes or downturns. When others are selling in fear, they are calmly buying. Why? Because they understand that downturns are temporary, and every market correction is a chance to buy good investments at a discount. They see opportunity where others see panic. This mindset is one of the biggest reasons they keep growing wealth even during tough times. They diversify, but keep it simple. The rich are not gamblers. They protect their wealth by spreading it across different asset classes. This includes stocks, real estate bonds, and sometimes even crypto or private equity. But they don't make it too complicated. They stick with what they understand. You won't find them investing in random schemes or get-rich-quick systems. They focus on tried-and-true methods that work over decades. Wealthy people don't rely on just one job or one investment. They diversify their income. They have rental properties, they earn dividends, they own businesses or license content. They build income that doesn't need their time, every day. This is key. They don't have to trade time for money. They earn while they sleep, and this gives them freedom. They avoid timing the market. The average person tries to guess when the market will go up or down and often fails. The wealthy know that time in the market beats timing the market. They don't try to predict the next big dip or crash. They just stay invested through the ups and downs. This is where consistency wins over cleverness. They keep investing whether the market is high or low because they trust in long-term growth. They use tax-advantaged accounts. In many countries, the wealthy make use of accounts that offer tax benefits. These include retirement accounts like the 401k Roth IRA or similar programs depending on where you live. By investing through these accounts, they pay less tax and grow their wealth faster. It's not about working harder. It's about using the system smartly. They understand cash flow and passive income. Long-term investing is not just about growing a big balance. It's also about creating cash flow. The rich invest in things that pay them regularly, like rental income, dividends, royalties, or business profits. That way, even if they stop working, their money doesn't stop working. This is what allows them to stay rich. They have income streams that don't rely on trading time for money. They stay educated and adaptable. The wealthy don't stop learning. They read books, attend seminars, talk to financial advisors, and follow market news. They understand that markets evolve, and so must their strategy. Financial education is not a one-time event, it's a lifestyle. The world changes fast, and so do markets. Wealthy investors keep learning, they watch market trends, talk to experts, and adapt their strategies when needed. They don't set and forget. They review their portfolio regularly and make adjustments if something is no longer serving their goals. This is why they stay ahead. They use professionals wisely. Yes, the rich often have accountants, lawyers, and advisors, but they don't blindly trust others. They stay involved. They ask questions. They make sure they understand where their money is going. This keeps them in control. While many people try to manage everything themselves, the wealthy often work with advisors, accountants, and investment managers. But here's the secret. They don't hand over all control. They stay informed and make the final decisions. They use professionals to guide, not control us. This ensures their strategy stays aligned with their goals. They are patient. Perhaps the most underrated skill in long-term investing is patience. Most importantly, the wealthy are patient. They don't panic when things are slow. They don't jump into risky trends just to feel productive. They stay calm, they stay invested, and they let time do its work. That patience is what separates short-term money from long-term wealth. The wealthy understand that great results take time. They don't panic during down years or celebrate too much during up years. This steady approach helps them ride through cycles and come out richer on the other side. They stay the course while others give up. You might be thinking, all this sounds great, but I don't have millions to invest. That's okay. You don't need to be rich to start using the same mindset. Start where you are. Even if it's just a small amount set aside every month into a low-cost index fund or savings plan. Focus on consistency, not perfection. The earlier you start, the better your results will be over time. Final thoughts. You don't need to be rich to start using these strategies. In fact, you can start with as little as $50 a month. What matters is consistency, discipline, and time focus on buying assets. Avoid panic. Reinvest your returns. And keep learning. Long-term investing is not just for the wealthy, it's how they became wealthy in the first place. Long-term investing is not just a strategy, it's a mindset. The wealthy stay rich because they think long-term. They stay consistent through the ups and downs, and they prioritize assets over appearance. If you start applying even a few of these lessons, your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching. Focus and Finance. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this every week, and let us know in the comments. Which of these strategies will you start using today?